So when we talk of local medicine for cough, cold, for clear the sinus, clear the mucus from the respiratory tracts, this is the Obonga medicine, the original medicine, the herbal medicine, the herbal tea for that. Anything respiratory tract infection. This is the original antibiotics. To explain it one by one, this is our local honey, original honey. This is the red onions. Here is our mint leaf. You can see it. This is mint leaf. This is garlic. Then you have your ginger. You can use lime or lemon because lemon is not available now. We are using lime. So when you have this medicine, you blend everything together and mix with enough suitable honey. You get your medicine correct. So I'm done blending. Unfortunately, I didn't show when I was blending it, but you can see now everything has been blended. First, I used the big blender, kitchen blender, to crush the things so that it can be easy for the other blender to smooth it out. So this was the first blending. You know, the ginger is strong. So when I used the kitchen blender, it was able to crush the ginger, the big onions, and the garlic. After that, I used a small blender, the juice blender, to grind it to powder or dust when I was adding water. When you're doing this, add water so that you don't spoil your blender. The end result is this. You can see it. The honey is inside with water, everything inside. So with this now, you have the most powerful cough syrup, naturally made, God-given, herbal tea, herbal cough syrup. Bet me, try this in your home. Well, as of the dosage, you can take as you like when your throat begins to warm because it's hot and ginger makes it feels like pepper, so you don't need to overdose yourself. But the quantity, 2-3 spoons is enough. When you take this, tell me in the comment section after you begin to push nuts or mucus. A lot will come out, but not just once. When you take it the first time, second time, third time, you see yourself, you continue to push nuts. Salon, they call it nuts. English name is mucus. Some call it freon. Whatever. Maybe I don't know how to pronounce. I'm not an Englishman. So, but that is it. But you continue to produce to remove a lot of mucus from your respiratory tract until everything is done. And when everything is done, your respiratory tract will be free. Good luck.